What's good? So today I'm about to fuck up this HD lace Lego. Trying to brush all that crust back. I'm just putting the got to be glue real quick. Or real slow. And I realized I didn't know what I was doing, so I used the spray and then the glue itself. So that was my first mistake. Oof, child. I'm about to really fuck up this hair. Bear with me. Let's do this. Okay, I'm just fixing the edges because I have hella sideburns. Just gonna clean up all the extra nasty glue with alcohol. So first of all, I was supposed to use something darker, a makeup that was darker. I used my exact skin tone. Bruh, I watched like 30 hours of YouTube videos and I didn't remember none of that shit. I just started doing my own shit. Fuck my life. Putting that shit everywhere. Okay, now I'm just using this glue that I got from the beauty supply store. It's supposed to be water resistant. Ooh, look at that lace, honey. Look at that lace. That's HD lace. Excuse the badly plucking, but your girl is learning, but that lace. Woo. Beautiful. And then the lace itself, I did add some makeup on there. So this is my first time using this glue. It dries fast, but there's still some patches that won't dry, even though I use like a blow dryer. And also I was impatient, so that really messes you up at the end. Just watch. Oh no, baby, what are you doing? So I think I just used way too much glue. Like it was too thick. I did something wrong. So leave comments down below if you figured out what I did wrong. Because I think I did everything wrong. Okay. It took too long to dry, so I had to add blow dryer. Oh, look at that lace. Yes, honey. So as you can tell by the little glossy look, it's still pretty sticky. Like it shouldn't. Like it was sticking to the hair. It shouldn't be this sticky, but what else? Oof, look at that frontal. Honestly, this frontal is like the best thing in the world. Holla at InfiniAudre. She'll have you looking popping out here in this bitch. HD lace for the low price. Not those $200 wigs that they want to sell you. Bitch, bye. Who do you think we are? And just cutting extra shit off. So I'm using the got to be glue to lay some parts that I did not lay down. It's just a little area, so didn't really matter. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna try this 90s inspired hair flip. Hair flipped out. Look. It's this little bougie ass look. That was so cute. Oh my goodness. I was so cute. Just watch, just watch. Look at that lace. Just appreciate how beautiful that is. Bro, you can hear my upstairs neighbors. I think they're crackheads. This goes on 24/7. You know what? I'm about to write about them. Oh, I just got this new hot comb. I've been using it on everything. Stuff that doesn't even need to be used on. It's just the best thing in the world. But it goes 0 to 100 degrees real quick. So watch your damn ears. Okay. Once you start getting the baby hair on, my terrible plucking doesn't seem so bad. Look at that. Okay, my another mistake I made. I tied the freaking band too tight. It's like I didn't learn anything. See, look at this. This is when I knew I fucked up. Look at that. All my work. Oh. So when that happens, just get some makeup on the beauty blender and keep pushing it in. Like, just keep tapping it until it doesn't look as shiny anymore, if that makes sense. This is like midnight and at night, and I'm doing my hair like this. So I had to beat my face real quick and make a Snapchat, cause you know how we do. Oh, this wig is a custom wig because I have a big head, so it needs to be custom. And then the flip out stone. Cute. Okay, bitch. I'm done. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Yes. Can't tell me no. Ooh, who is that? Who is that? Can't tell me nothing. Yes, yes. You're a bougie stepmom that don't want no kids, but she married a guy that had kids. I'm sending all y'all to boarding school. Yes. Bye.